With more than a decade of experience in providing excellence in guest safety, comfort and hygiene, now upgraded to a new clinically clean standard of hygiene protocol as we gear up to welcome you back. All our cleaning and safety procedures have been designed keeping in view the guidelines shared by WHO and government authorities. Our drivers will now check your temperature and provide you with hand sanitizer and a face mask as they usher you to our car, which will be sanitized after every use. Your luggage will then be disinfected before being stowed into the boot. You will also notice a partition inside the car as an extra layer of protection. To avoid repetition of the safety protocol at our main entrance, a disinfected card will be displayed from inside of the car. Our staff pass through the automatic disinfectant tunnel upon entry, where they sanitize their hands, record body temperature, and are surface sanitized using skin-friendly disinfectants. Post suiting up with personal protective gear, they ensure they are disinfected once again before they head to work. Every touch point, including lifts, door handles, curtains, beds, bathroom amenities, and all room amenities will be thoroughly disinfected, and the room will be allowed a resting period of 24 hours before check-in. The hospitality synonymous with Clark's Exotica remains unchanged, as our staff are geared up with face shield, mask and gloves to ensure safety. Our dedicated wellness officer will assist you with any process or health-related queries you may have during the entire length of your stay. In order to help you stay healthy, our team has designed a special immunity booster which will be served to you as we greet you at our lobby. Social distancing norms have been implemented in all public areas. Additionally, glass partitions are installed at our reception counters. We have sanitized stationery provided, as well as a specialized UV disinfection chamber to sanitize documents and currencies. Hand sanitizers have been placed at strategic points across the resort for your use. All your food orders will be prepared by following our safety and hygiene protocols. Body temperature of our chef and service staff will be checked and recorded. Fresh, sealed cutlery will be provided, along with thoroughly disinfected crockery. And a double layer of covering will be included before the food is delivered to your room. You can take a walk amidst the lush greenery. Relax by the poolside with a hot cup of coffee and be rest assured that your safety is our priority. Enjoy a delicious meal with your loved ones at our multi-cuisine specialty restaurant, Ambrosia, where we now have glass partitions to ensure your safety.